Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Moza Aircross DSLR Stabilizer. Alright, so I've never actually owned a stabilizer like that. I've only ever had one like this, which is like a manual one that you have to set yourself. There's no batteries or electronics. Pretty simple, just got the weights here. And recently I was using this and it took a long time to get it all stabilized. And Prime Day was coming up on Amazon, so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna take the plunge and get an electric stabilizer. So I found the Moza Aircross and let's do the unboxing. Alright, so right off the bat, this is a heavy duty case and let's open. Alright, so here's what it looks like. I'm gonna have to cover my face for this. And let's just remove these parts right here and show the stabilizer. It looks pretty intense. I must admit, I'm pretty intimidated by it right now because I have no idea how to use this thing. Alright, so first off, it comes with a bunch of papers and pamphlets. So this is like a little card here. It says stop here. Make sure that you follow the instructions before you actually turn it on. So I'm going to read that. That's just a customer card. Here's the actual manual. And here are some quick instructions of how to set it up. Alright, so let's take out and let's see what's in the box. First thing here is we've got the charger for the batteries. So these are going to be rechargeable batteries that they provide as well, and this is the charger. Next, we've got the handle here for the actual stabilizer, and inside the handle are the batteries. I'm not going to take all of them out, but these are what the rechargeable batteries look like by Moza. We've got this little black pouch here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's the cords, but there's a ton of stuff in here in that little black pouch. Next, we've got this little tripod thingy here. I believe that this goes at the bottom so that you can place it down on the ground. Next, we've got two pieces here, the plate and another attachment. And then here we have the actual stabilizer mechanism. This, you can see, is really cool. It's got very smooth movements. Like I said, this is my first time using this, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of learning to figure this thing out because it's totally different from the other manual stabilizer. Alright, so that was the unboxing. That is all of the items that comes with the Moza Aircross electronic DSLR stabilizer. We've got a Nikon D5500, so I'm going to be creating another video on this, probably a couple more videos on how our experience was, how the setup was, and what the footage actually looks like. And I'll probably do a comparison with an electronic stabilizer versus our manual one. And if you guys are interested in checking this out, head down to the description below as I will have the Amazon links for you guys. Make sure to stay subscribed for those upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead. We'll be right back.